actually where sugar comes from.
Yep.
That's right.
All right.
There you go. And this stuff is almost as sweet as our wives, Billy, but not quite. Yeah. Well, look, there's some of his family. Look, they've been making family since 1835.
Wow.
Well, look, there's an old clock right there. Looks like. There's Mr. Joe Todd over there right now. He's the local celebrity here. And they're in there making the syrup now. They're making from the sugar cane. And they're going to tell us how they make this stuff. Well, they got an educational center just here on the property. And this is sort of like a museum here. I was reading the paper. They got news crews out here, and he's been in articles in the paper recently. And I learned about him through the Tuscaloosa News. And anyway, here on the wall, you see some of these different farming implements that his family, he's a 7th generation sugarcane farmer. And these are some tools that belong to his ancestors. I still use some of this stuff here. Look at this. There's all the machines here. Okay. So here you can smell the aroma in the air, this sugar cane, the syrup making. And so these machines here, they're still using these. These were built before World War II.
How do you like it?
My YouTube feed. They've been coaching me on it. It's happening now. It's about an hour and 20 minutes in now. Probably got another 2 hours to go. This is maybe, I guess you could call this maybe the 3rd stage of this process.
10,000 bottles? Wow. So each bottle's about a quart? Yes, ma'am.
Measured all down, it's going to equal about 10,000.
Okay.
Anybody wants some of this to get started? I started with 10 stalks. This January let's see, be the 3rd year. I planted 10 stalks, and out of the 10 stalks I planted, the next year I planted 270 feet. Of that syrup, of that juice, I average for years about 25 to 28 gallons of syrup out of it. And I have entered it, but nobody in about 4 different families has any idea other than it's a purple cane. But it makes good syrup. And I retired. She said, I got something I want to show you. And she went back in the garage, she pulled out a tarp off. There was that cane mill. I said, hi, where did you get that in here? She said, them 2 boys across the road got it out of the truck. But anyway, I got started in my first syrup I made in a wash pot.
That's all that's in that sugar cane, sunshine and water. That's the sun that comes down and that sugar cane turns that sunshine into carbohydrates of sugars, and you're harvesting the water. That's basically it. So fertility-wise, there's not a lot going on there. In fact, I was out this weekend on our property in Lochapoka there, where we planted some sugar cane about 4 years ago in this little bottom area. I just wanted to see what it would do to that wet bottom. I haven't done anything to it since then. I've got some stalks installed. And no fertilizer, nothing. sunshine and water.
Well, folks, we've had a great day here with Best Family, and we've been here at Todd's Syrup Farm here in Headland, Alabama. And we appreciate all of you tuning in with us, and hope to see you next time.
How did you enjoy the syrup farm?
Fun.